Alright, y'all. I ain't did a video in a while, but I seen this when I walked out. I don't know if you can see it. See this snake? It's a bird nest. Just gonna get a little closer. He's trying to eat them baby birds. See his head? That's his tail. Goes wrapped around that way. She gonna eat the baby birds, bro. I was trying to save them. I see you, bro. I see your head now, homie. I'm not an expert. Don't know what kind of snake it is. Y'all can comment on it. It just looked like a rat snake to me. But I don't know. I'm not an expert. What you gonna do? It look like it done ate some of them. Oh, knocking it over. He knocked it over. Huh, there's a snake right there. Knocking it over. I don't think there's anything left in it. Nature. You know how that goes. Alright, y'all. You know I love y'all. Jesus loves y'all. Peace out.